Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Davis. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Zukulilo merci. Zukulilo meiman. Zukulilo meiman. Ule!
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, names owaziwa ngomxolisi kuzalo and ungosiphamandla uzamcolo Ntathakusa Umkhokha shared one of the funniest moment eyenzeka ngebirthday yakhe while beshutha Umkhokha. In a post he wrote, "First take when something like this, I was in a character and then this happened. Took me a couple of seconds to tap out. I was caught by surprise. Thanks though to the cast, crew and production." And guys, you can just tell by the confusion in his face ukuthi akazi manje ukuthi kwenzekalani, uyamangala ukuthi hayibo kuma lines abanginike wona bekhona nale party le, then ke waseyaphuma kwe-courage wabona ukuthi no, this guy is celebrating my birthday. I-birthday yakhe guys ibi nge-30 zika March, and we want to say happy belated birthday to him. We love his work and we wish him all the best, more healthy and productive years. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.